Hi everyone, for today's video, we will solve one problem that involves quadratic equation. So, quadratic equation yung mabubuo natin na equation dito sa problem na ito. Okay? So, the length of a garden is 5 meters longer than its width, and the area is 14 meters squared. How long is the garden? Okay, so ito mga choices natin, 9 meters, 7 meters, 5 meters, or 2 meters. Okay, so analyze natin mabuti ang problem. So, ang given dito, the length. Length of a garden is 5 meters longer than its width. So, given ang length at width, so ibig sabihin ang figure natin ay rectangle. So, drawing natin ang ating rectangle. So, iting rectangle, so ang given daw, ang length daw ng garden, 5 meters longer than its width. So, malinaw, ito naman yung length natin. So, ito yung width. Okay, so may given tayo ang length daw ay 5 meters longer. So, 5 meters longer than its width. So, therefore, ang length natin ay W plus 5. Kasi sabi, 5 meters longer than its width. And then, ang area daw ng rectangle natin, so, ang area given, area ng rectangle is 14 meters squared. So, 14 meters squared. So, alam natin, ang formula ng area ng rectangle ay length times width. So, length times width ang formula ng area. So, all we have to do now is substitute natin yung mga given dito sa formula natin ng area, which is length times W. So, substitute lang natin ang mga given natin. So, given ang area natin, given 14 meters squared. So, lagay natin sa area 14 equals length. So, ang value ng length natin ay W plus 5. So, W plus 5 and then times W. So, in terms of W, so meron na tayong quadratic equation na yung kakalabasan nito kapag sinimplify natin ito sa standard form. So, we have 14 is equal to W plus 5 times W. So, i-distribute natin itong W. So, W times W and W times positive 5. So, we have 14 is equal to W times W. We have W squared. W times positive 5, we have positive W, positive 5W. So, pag sinabing standard form, kailangan yung isang side 0. So, gawin natin 0 ito by subtracting 14 to both sides or simply transpose this to the other side. So, magiging 0 na ito and then we have W squared plus 5W. So, 14, pag nilipat, magiging siyang negative 14. So, ngayon, pwede na natin isolve yung W by factoring. So, pwede itong by factoring kasi, so, ang factors ng negative 14 ay 14 and 1 and then 7 and 2. Negative, so kailangan isang positive, isang negative. So, kailangan ang makuha natin na sum ay positive 5. So, therefore, ang factors natin, positive 7 and negative 2. So, positive 7 times negative 2, the product is negative 14. Pag inad, positive 7 plus negative 2, the sum is positive 5. So, therefore, ang factor na natin, so yung 0, ilipat natin dito sa kabila. So, we have W plus 7 and then W minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so masasolve na natin ng W. Dalawa yung answer natin sa W. Equate each factor to 0. So, we have W plus 7 equals 0 and the other one is W minus 2 equals 0. So, isolve natin to. Subtract 7 to both sides. So, para makuha natin, W is equal to negative 7. So, ito yung extraneous solution to. Kasi, pag with, kailangan ay positive dapat. So, since negative 7, so ang tawag dito ay extraneous solution ito. So, mali ito. So, reject natin yan. So, ito ang magiging value ng width natin ay ito lang kabila. So, add 2 to both sides. So, therefore, the value of the width is 0 plus 2, we have 2. Ang hinahanap natin ay baka ma-excite, W equals 2, ang maging sagot natin ay D, 2 meters. Ang hinahanap is how long? How long is the garden? So, long, ibig sabihin yung length yon. Okay? So, W equals 2, balik tayo dito sa length. Ang value ng length ay W plus 5. So, ang width natin is 2 plus 5, therefore, the length is 7 meters. So, therefore, the correct answer is letter B, 7 meters. Okay, so that's it. So I hope nagustuhan yung explanation ko para sa problem na ito. Kung meron kayong math question, ay i-comment nyo lang po sa aking channel, pwede sa aking FB group or i-DM nyo ako sa aking messenger na RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye and God bless.